So today I have the pour over coffee pot by Coffee Gator. Now, a quick disclaimer, this one was sent to me to review. Now, I've been wanting to get one of these for a little while and I just never got around to it. I have all the other stuff. I got the kettles, I got, everything I need. But this one is fairly simple. We do have a filter that's built in or comes with it. It's a metal stainless steel one. And then our pullover pot here is made from glass. It's pretty much the same type of glass that you would find like in beakers and things like that. It is made for hot liquids, but you do not want to put it over direct fire or on the stove itself. But it will handle really hot liquid by it being poured into it. First, I'm going to get my coffee beans ground up, and I'm using a manual grinder for mine. Feel free to use whatever coarseness you like. Now I'm going to go ahead and pour in a few ounces, let it kind of steep and go through, and then you're going to pour a little bit more. It's definitely starting to smell really good in here. This will be right about the end that we're going to do, and also I used right about 21 grams of coffee. And mine is going to be just a little bit stronger. And now that it's all done, I'm just going to give it a little swish here. It definitely looks really nice and dark. So far, it's working pretty well. And then we'll go ahead and pour it into whatever cup you want. If you're looking for a nice pour over pot, this one does work pretty well. It's pretty simple. And, overall, it does work. And go ahead and enjoy.